Always tracking, always alerting. This is Storm Team 8.
All right, good evening. First things first, we want to talk about the roads. Looks like it's still okay. So if you're heading outside, you don't really have to worry about slick road conditions on main roads, especially traffic is moving fairly smoothly in all the webcams that we can check. Still, if you get in some of those rural areas, you might want to take it a little bit slower and just know that we do have some freezing drizzle, but it's very few and far between. Now, the reason why I want to hit this is just because our temperatures are starting to skirt just below freezing. So if anything gets a little damp, then it will be slick. But for the most part, we're dry outside. We have so much dry air in place that even though we have tons of snow showing up on our radar, almost none of it is making it to the ground. Now, I do want to zoom out and show you what's going on, but first I want to show you some of the spots that are hardest hit. Holland, for example, this was the only station that actually observed seeing anything hit the ground. Although, as I mentioned, Paw Paw, Madawan, we have had some observations of some flurries, which isn't a big deal. But Holland, you're likely going to continue to see just a little bit of action because look what's over the lake. Green Bay, Oshkosh, that line of snow continued to creep on in. So likely overnight tonight, we're going to continue to see just a little bit of light flurry action, and that's going to continue through your Sunday as well. And if we look at Storm Track Live, another thing that's going to continue is prevalent cloud cover. We could see a few breaks here and there, but if I zoom out, look at how cloudy this is. This is all cloud cover stretching across several states. So all day Sunday, most of Monday, we are going to be dealing with mostly cloudy skies. Tomorrow is going to be a touch different though, because it is going to be a little bit warmer. So cloudy and cool, maybe a few flurries possible depending on the time of day. It's probably going to be most likely as you step a little bit farther north of Grand Rapids, and we can see that on your future cast. So overnight tonight, we still see that push of snow. Remember, not a lot making it to the ground. And then as we work towards 6 a.m., I will be here 6 a.m. on daybreak to talk about this, but we have a slight chance of maybe seeing some flurry action or more of that freezing drizzle. So that's mainly for areas north of I-96. Then as we continue through Sunday afternoon, this is the spot that we could see the flurries. So Fremont, Big Rapids, everyone else not doing too bad. So if you're heading out tomorrow across Great Lakes, mostly cloudy conditions. If you're heading over to Chicago, you could run into rain, but heading over to Detroit, you're fine. And notice the warmer temperatures too. They stick around for Monday. Chicago, better chance of rain. Detroit, better chance of rain. And that's mainly going to be in the evening. You can see that on the 8-day forecast. Rain is most likely late. So most of your day on Monday should be dry. Once we move into the rain, though, it sticks around for a while. Tuesday, plan on rain. Also plan on mild temperatures. Look at that, 45. Our average for this time of year is 34. Once we get to Wednesday, which is Christmas Eve, we'll wake up to rain showers. Most of the day will be rain showers, but we'll see falling temperatures. So what that means is late in the day on Christmas Eve, I'm thinking right around dark or just after dark, we could see that transition from rain to snow. Then once we get to Christmas Day, we should have 1 to 2 inches of snow on the ground. Of course, that means slick roads if you have to bounce from house to house. Something else, notice Sunday, we're back down to highs of 26, and I think Sunday is going to be the start of like that big cold push that we've been waiting for, because unfortunately it looks like Sunday we drop and then we don't recover by New Year's. So just a heads up.
So it all begins on Sunday.
We
thought it began in November, and then all of a sudden we got this crazy
I know, and then it's like, just kidding. Yeah. December is going to be great. So we'll see if it holds, but right now it's looking like, you know, return to cold then.
Yeah, Michigan starts after Christmas, basically.
Exactly.
All right, thank you so much.